Those Jamaican river rafting guys are not the problem. We need to be talking about the women. I've been on the bamboo rafting excursion maybe like 3 times in my whole entire life. And I think that people really focus up on the fact that, oh yeah, well, they are, you know, where they be trying to do this to you, they be trying to do that to you. But they only do that to you if you allow it. And I think that people miss that. Like, and it's just like with any other man. If a man is want to deal with you like that, then he's going to deal with you like that. So I don't understand why people are focusing more on the fact that these men are, you know, running down on these women, and they not realizing that these women is coming from the US, coming from all other countries to come down there and get cracked open like a can of paint by a random, okay? And I'm not even mad at it, because Jamaican men, they are like that. Like, they are, you know, one of the best people to get your self-esteem up there. Your self-confidence, you could look like shit. They're going to hype you up every single time. My thing is, if you don't allow it and you have a lot of respect for yourself, they will not even try you. You're going to get on that bamboo, you're going to do what you got to do as far as the excursion is concerned, and then you're going to go home safe, sound, and in peace. Okay? They are not going to do anything that that you don't want them to do. I'll say that much.
Wow. Okay, so I'm new to this. I didn't know. Is that what women are going over to Jamaica?
You didn't know
to
that?
do? Heck no, to get your cheeks clapped. Again, I hang around and I'm around different type of women. So all of this stuff is very, very new to me. So is that what they normally do? They go over there and get their cheeks clapped?
I recently found out because I was on Twitter one day. The video popped up of this girl and her homegirl recording her friend. Mm-hmm. The Jamaican guy, they didn't have a condom, so he had a plastic bag over it.
Oh, yo, getting bust down with a trash bag is crazy. Oh my goodness.
All I know is it's really trifling, and I wish people would stop, because she's not even kidding. Like, they do go out there and do that. I'm not saying all women, but there are some women who do it out there. Cracking that bamboo.
I'm gonna start looking at them women different when they talk about going to Jamaica. You know, that's actually high up on the list for most of them 304 chicks. Now it all makes sense. Y'all out there getting buzzed down by random guys? That's nasty work, bro. Nasty work. Do you not know that they probably do that with? I don't even want to think about it. That's nasty,
think
bro.
Of how much they have on them.
Man, good grief. But I wanna, you know what? I'm gonna insert because that's nasty.
Why would you even say that?
Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, man? All right, until next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. That's crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm trying to work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.
Questions, because I feel like if I didn't, I'm kind of starved. My niece had her first track meet this weekend.
Oh, dope. That's what's up.
She was in 100 by 4 relay.
Hey, that's dope.
It was her first one, and she was really, when he first blew the whistle, she hesitated and she didn't start sprinting until she heard other footsteps behind her.
That's how it be.
But I said, Lena, once you hear that whistle, you go. You go. Don't look behind you. Don't think about nothing else. You go.
Yeah, she'll get used to it. It's gonna take some
She was
time.
like, I was nervous. I'm like, yeah, it's okay to be nervous. But she was doing good. I think we got a video.
That's dope.
I'm happy. She was happy.
Those Jamaican river rafting guys are not the problem.
Yo, so I'm just now watching, of course, because I had to edit the video, and I want to apologize to Ro and anybody else that I've been doing reactions and stuff with. I don't even realize how much I be so focused on getting the content that, that's the only thing that literally be on my mind. Like, let me just get these videos done. So, do want to apologize to Ro and anybody else that I've did any content with, man. Like, I just be so focused. My bad.